Okay, I think we're live now. Oh, hey guys. First of all, um, I would like to welcome all of you here. So I just want to check my, like audio how it's coming. So I got a few complaints that the audio was not appropriate. So yeah, yeah, I think it's great now. Okay, okay. So I think we're good to go. And so basically, yesterday we built this functionality. Let me bring up item. Mm, Yeah, so just bring it up. Okay, we have it now. So basically, um, I'll be doing one thing here. That is, I'll just, minimize OBS for now. Okay, actually, I went on a small trip today. So just open it up. Let's wait for the Teamworks to restore its sessions. I have to get rid of few sessions that I'm not using now. So there have been a lot of sessions that are created and it's taking a bit longer than usual to load those. So that was a let me bring up this. Yeah. So that was basically like a bummer for me. Like the as it takes a little bit longer than usual to. Okay, you can see it's still loading. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I think it's completed. Yeah, it is completed now. Okay, so yeah, guys, that's what usually it is. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll just do a git add and git commit. So we what we did, we added we added the functionality of the view my property, and also we added also the functionality to load use not load users arrivals and, and departures. Yeah. So I'll just say this branch PM master, and okay, I think I've forgotten my password. Okay, no, it's the right one. Yeah. So we have did that, and I'll do the same for the backend as well. But minus when I say it minus, so this if each added, we added what arrivals and departures. And push origin master, and I just directly push onto master. So as it seems, uh, we also gonna push this one. Git push origin master. I forgot to commit. What space and what space actually? We, Okay, so I think uh, what we did added view uh, property from PM. Again, okay, now that's pretty embarrassing for me because I use that on a daily basis. Yeah, so I have done this part. Now, as we have done this, I'll just go to this and restart this flower. Well, uh, and yeah. So today, so basically, I think there is one website named. Let me just get the name. I got this from the designer. Mm, the name again. Just a second, guys. Yeah, I think I found it. So last minute. Com. Yeah. So this is the website that we have. So ideally, this is okay. Yeah. And if we keep on doing this, just adds rooms. So you can add six of these rooms, and each room will have like a remove button, then the room number, and then we will have this like number of adults that they can hold, and then we can have like a so age at a time. Mhm. Assuming if I do this, then again it says add a child. Okay, so JSON object that I might be working with is going to be, first of all, an array of rooms. Each room will have its own title, and then it will have a count of adults, and then we will give them an age limit of to add another child, and each room can hold at max uh, two kids or two childs is what I can see here. So okay, okay, so okay, now here if you see that earlier they can book for 9 travelers at a time, understood? 9 travelers. So all in all, we don't have to like have individual rooms for each adult. What we can do is visit a number of rooms, and then like we can keep track of the adults and the child count separately. So instead of having that, so we'll just have rooms, and then when we add it here, it increases in all of these screens. It's just that we'll have to show this element everywhere. Okay, cool. As we remove this, so the selection for that goes down. So for example, if I just remove this, so this is a room. Yeah, so two. So that is 3, 4, and 5. So we have a 6. Okay. So we have like an in. Okay, so this is also uh, getting counted in the 6 travelers. If I do this, then we can add another one here. And they all cannot have a child. Yeah, so at max there could be 9 travelers. And hmm, but in this case, this is what the restriction that they have. What we will be giving is that, um, in all, I think we can keep it in this way that uh, number of rooms can have individual selections so that it is much easier for them. Because in this case, at max 9 travelers, they are saying, so it is possible that each of them, like if we assume it is, 5, like let's say if it is like 8 travelers, and okay, so, mhm, so, okay, this sounds fine. The logic that they have applied here kind of makes sense to me, but as of now, even I'm not sure. Um, what I think we can do is, okay, okay, okay. Um, we can give individual selections to each of them. I think instead of going beyond 2 infants, or like 2 kids basically, not infants actually, or 2 childs, we'll keep the record count here as 2 childs at max, and then adults here, like we can give individual selections for them. That makes more sense to me. So that, yeah, it will eventually, okay, yeah, it will eventually do that. This will do the same thing to us also. We can give a max traveler count here. That is, I guess I'll assume for 10 travelers. And each of the rooms will have their own selections. And as soon as they do that, we'll, make these, like, okay, we will just prevent them to add more. I think that is probably the best way to do it. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So, I need this one to be more accurate. So, yeah, I think I'll just rerun this and I'll just bring up the OBS for a second. Yeah. Okay. So basically, we are here now. I do need to forget remove this functionality. So basically, this was just a simple drop down that how many guests are going to be there. But now apparently we will have to add a pop-up that is actually like this. Hmm. Now, okay, I have to see the mobile responsiveness for this one. I'll just go to this and I do not need to subscribe to you. Okay, cool. So it brings up like a slider sort of. Okay. Hmm. Okay. So first thing that we are going to do is work on this one. Hmm. So I'll first design the source. We'll go to the Redux setup that I have and go to this filter.js and I will have to add few things here. The first thing is this one. So we have the selections and we have the guest count here, right? Keep the guest count there as is. I'll add one more thing to here is to the okay. So we'll add rooms. Yeah, and by default it will be this. Yeah, and let's define the rooms as well here. First, just name it as initial room. So each room will have the adult count. I'll by default I'll say one. Just synchronize with the guests. Yeah, and then I'll have the child. So I'll by default make it as this. Yeah. So we are only associating it with this that um uh, the first thing that we have is this one. Okay. Now define two things here. That is how are we modifying the guests here? Yes. So we have this set guests and that's it, right? So here's the thing that I will have and adult mm, adult and will have state action, then I'll say state dot rooms. No. Okay, state dot rooms is fine. I'm just thinking about we need to have the exact index of that. So two things we'll get from this const action dot payload. First thing that we'll receive is the index. Cool. We have the index now, and then either we subtract or add that. Okay. So we don't need to subtract it. It's basically, when we click on plus, whatever the value is getting calculated there, we'll just straight away do this. So I'll just say here adult basically, and see okay, const state mm, current roles equals this. I just take copy of it now. Current room dot text. Just to be sure if index is as then current room start length. I want to go with the happy flow for now. So in that case, what we'll do is current rooms index is const room. Yeah. Then, uh, okay, so we'll just say room dot adult is equals adult. Yeah. Then I'll say current rooms equals room. And instead of this, not instead, basically I need to add index here. So I have assigned this. Now what I need to do is I'll replace state dot rooms with current rooms. Yeah. So this will cause a re-render. think this makes more sense. And I think I'll just say set adult. Hmm. I can use the same method, but instead of doing that, I'll just use another different one, that is to set child. Yeah. And instead of this, we'll have child in this case. And I'll just replace child in this. What the hell? Yeah. The rest all remains the same. No, here I'll change it to child again. Yeah. So now, this is one particular thing. Then we'll have set room. Okay. So uh, action state. Okay, I went the other way. Yeah. I think here what I'll do. Okay. Hmm. What should we do in this case? State dot rooms. I think I will remove this one. Const current rooms equals this. Then okay, so we have this now. Hmm, okay, here one thing we missed is to okay, we can directly set it here, but we have to keep track of the guest count as well. Hmm. Now that's a thing that we have to think about a little bit. So whatever the current guest count is, we have to make sure that we update it. I can keep track. This way. Roomba adult, we have got this and that we have. I think I'll have to loop through I'll just use a for loop here and rooms. So let total user counts, sorry, total guest counts. Guest count equals 0. Yeah, I'll just do that. I know I'm just going for a first approach right now. So for const again const room in uh, off, I guess, right? Off, yeah. So let's say total guest count plus uh, plus equals room dot adult total guest equals room dot child. Yeah, I know. Wait a second. State dot total state dot guests equals total guest count. Yeah. So we just use the same thing here. And now, okay. So when we are removing the room, so I need to do one if condition here. That is ideally I'm going to do same thing. Current rooms is less than again current rooms of length, like the index has to be smaller than that. Ideally, just putting up this one here for now. Now, ideally, what we need to do here is to find out. Okay, so we have this room now. Hmm. So in this case, if this is the case, what I'll do, I'll basically say index that the control short length. So in that case, uh, okay. So const, hmm, yeah, if it is equal to the log length minus one, in which case, ideally what I'll do, I'll just say current rooms index equals null and state dot rooms this and current rooms dot filter just to find out. And this should do the job. And just do one more thing, that is if index check, okay, index is less than current rooms dot length minus one, in which case okay, so just follow a loop. So index um okay, in this case I let I equals index I less than dot length and I plus plus. Hmm. So basically I have to shift all those next elements into the basically. So hmm, current rows. Uh, Okay, so I okay. So rooms is I plus one, and uh, so if I do this, in this case, we'll have the correct one. So state dot rooms. Okay, I'm not going to invoke it. What I need to do is just to assign this one to this. Yeah, in both these cases, it will update it this way. Yeah. Now, um, okay. Um, in either of the cases, um, room equals state dot rooms index is this. Okay. So now, I think I should do it in this way that mm, current room start length less index is less than this. Also index equals this and that. Oh, wait a second. I don't know what I was doing there. So just again for the current room equals current rooms equals index. So state dot yes, state dot yes minus um uh current room dot build plus chat. Yeah, we just use this formula so that every time we remove this, it updates it correctly. Okay, so I think where the set adult set child for the given index and then this remove. I will add another for adding a room. Add room. So at minimum, one. uh, okay, here's the thing that mm, zero is not less than, so it should not work ideally. Index is equals. Okay, no, hold on. Okay, so first the room count is state dot um rooms dot length. Yeah, current room dot length. Okay, so let's come up here and just give an const x room count. I'll go with 10 for now. Max, I think, hmm, 0 to 9, that is 10, right? So, yeah, I think we are good here. Uh, in this case, I'll just say uh, const current rooms equals state dot rooms. Yeah, and const not this current rooms push here. What was the name again? Mm, initial room, and I'll say state dot rooms equals current rooms. Yes, so this sounds good. Uh, we will not define this one. Yeah. Now when we do this again, same thing. I'll have to loop through this one. Hmm, and just take this one and add room. Oh, I'll just define it by myself. Yeah. So this sounds good. And so add room, remove room, uh, like set adult and set child. So at max we are allowing as of now there is no restriction to add to this. Okay, cool. I think we are good in this case. Is there something I missed? I think I'll restart the server. There have been too many updates that the what exactly has happened. Let's see console once. Just syntax error. I have updated that. Okay, I forgot to save that. Yeah, cool. Hmm. So now we need to build this UI. Yeah, we need to build this UI. Okay, so this is a card. We need to build this card. Then we need to okay, so we need to build this card first. Okay, got it. Um, mhm. So the file is actually uh, add a search bar, I think. I'm not wrong. So it says guests. Okay, so dispatch guests. Hmm. Yes, yes, guests. Okay. Yeah, T underscore guests. Yes. Hmm. Okay, got it. Yep. So we will not require this one now. I'll just go and okay. And let's get rid of this one. Not require this. Yeah. So did it work? No, this is not the one. Um, we made one search bar and a search of we two. I think this one is the one. And let's go guess. Hmm, yeah. Swim. I think so. Impacting. It is not that one as well. Which one it is, man? I think I forgot. Let me see. Um, so I think uh, okay, I see there are two viewers now, so who have joined now. Thanks a lot for joining, and I hope you're enjoying the stream. So thank you. Uh, okay, so uh, okay, what I was going for is this one. I'm actually forgetting if I have some. There are so many functions I've created here. Okay, I think this is the one. Let me see. T. Uh, yes, this one. Yes. Mm, for now, I'll keep it as this one, this only. Um, what we majorly need is, you know, so what? I'll delete this one. Yes. So we don't need to select. Uh, wait, okay. Yeah. So select is gone now. Let me just see. Yeah. The select is gone. Okay. So instead of a select, I'll add a span. I'll say, uh, hmm, I think we have guest variable. Yes. Let's see the definition of it. I will add another thing called as rooms. Yes. And once we save this one, so hmm, strangely this is not working. Um, okay. So that's okay. And guests, this is not working. Why? Can I add an text here? Something about that. This is also not updating. Oh, okay. No, that's fine. D underscore S. Yeah. No, I thought I was in a you know different place. Okay. Um, what exactly should we do now? Why exactly am I not getting this value there? Hmm. 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 Okay, is it because of this span? What if I change it to a div? Nope, it's not working. And I say you 30. Nope, still not showing up. Yeah, then what exactly is the problem here? Say span, and if I say fab, yes. This is style. Um, um, okay, it's there. Fine, then I think it is working. Um, hmm. I'll use an input for now. Uh, and remove the style. Well, the search bar, right? Search bar. Search bar dot styles. One dot CSS is this one. Yes, this is the one. So I basically will require what so I think I'll have guess label input container select yes. So I don't need this. I need like a span. Okay, span, and then we'll have what what just happened? Okay, I need to style it just like this one, right? So yes, I'll just remove this. That should wind into this. And I have ton of media queries applied, so we may have to do it for all of them. Mm, yes. And I'll just take a copy of this. It's only two places. Fine, then that's majorly it was. Anything am I missing here? That's right, center line. I'm mostly sure that why am I missing this? Just that I need to say display block because it didn't work. You know, it isn't working. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Let's see. And ban also. span things, you know, still not working. Uh, we go again. Hmm. I'll go for responsiveness of 20 might. This is the resolution I'm going with. Uh, What are the things that is messing with it? Mhm. Yeah, I know that's the thing. That's why I added that display block. Let me to make a order mark on this. Let's see if this makes any difference. No, it doesn't do anything. Input container. Okay, how many of these are we have? There are 9 of these. Okay. So label container is fine. Then I just need slash dot. Yes. So there's 7 of these. Mhm. Just checking. Yeah, there you go. This is the one that we have. I think I added it here. Um, just before, just a few minutes ago, and it still doesn't work. I know I'm in the right file just to be sure. Search bar module.css. Yes, we are in the right directory. Hmm, 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 hmm. Okay, I'll go with select. Yeah, the display block. This is also to isn't doing anything. Yeah, I did something. Okay, it's finally taking the entire width. Now for this one, I need extra line start left. Yeah, there you go. So now, hmm, what do we need now? So yeah, okay. So t underscore this. Yes, here need a template string. So traveler is going to be, hold on. I think we have the design for this. We cannot name it Traveler. Okay. Mm, yes. So how this works is, okay, it says two guests and one room. And okay, great. I think just got it. Guess then. Mm, guests. Uh, then here and see if guess is greater than one. We'll say, yeah, let's just say guest. If it is greater than one, then we'll add an s. And so this t string, comma. Yeah, let me see. Okay, so rooms, rooms dot length, and then we'll have room text. Oh, okay, get it why there is an error. Yeah, comma is actually supposed to be here. We should not put any commas there. Then we'll have the room is fine. Then again we'll have the same thing. Room start length is greater than zero. Room dot length is greater than zero. Then not zero. Then let's say one. Yes, basically, and then we'll say this. Need to remove this space to just avoid anything specific. By default, we'll say one guest, one room. Yeah. So this is nice. This is more or less looks like the design we have. Just to, okay, I think I'll have to remove the color from the span to avoid any sort of mismatching the colors. Yeah, we are good. So, mm, this is as of now does not look like we can click on it, right? Mm, yes, here we need to create the pop-up now. Okay, so, what are we actually going to do? What are we actually going to do in this case? Hmm, I think, uh, what should we do? When we click on this, we will open up a pop-up and then this. Hmm. Open up the pop-up and we shall be able to do that then. Okay. Okay, I think for now I'll just drop it. Not as in drop it. We'll look into this later on, maybe tomorrow. Yeah, I think we'll do that in the morning, probably. Yeah, so yeah, guys, that's from majorly for today. It's been all this is an this is almost hour or so. So I think I'll land it today here only. Yeah, it works out. Yeah, this is cool. It's looking nice. It's beautiful. Yeah, already had this. Mm, mm, mm. So there are actually two or three different iterations of this. So I'll have to make the same change here. Um, okay, I think we'll end it today here. But thanks a lot, everyone, who have joined today's stream. We'll continue with it tomorrow. Okay, thank you guys for joining.